Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're about to change the brakes on the scatpack. They started to squeak real bad. About to replace them with these. Hopefully they come out good. We'll see. Alright, now once you got your tire out, all you do is hit this pin out right here. Hit out with a hammer or anything small like this. Then hit both of these out. You'll be good. Alright, now you should be good. All you do is just take these brakes out. And then you push these pistons back in here, right here. Once you get the new brakes out, put some lube on it on the back and slide it in. Alright guys, so this kit did come with this tooling right here. The new pin, so just slide in here, slide in like that. Sometimes you gotta play with them a little bit because they might get stuck right here somewhere. It's all good now. Alright guys, I finished up both sides. Now let's check them out and see if they work better than the stock. Alright, let's go for a drive with these new brakes and see if they perform better than the OEM ones. No more squeaking out of them for sure. That's a good sign right there. Don't mind my low tire pressure right now. Every other day it goes down. Huh, so far so good. I'm glad that squeaking's gone though. Sound like a piece of shit. Some days I wonder why my neighbors really hate me. I don't do anything. I know the old lady next door don't like me at all. Fuck it. Alright guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.